friends, it is so good to be back at the harbor with you today, and just wanted to give you a quick update on everything that was done last week. We've got an incredible electrical crew from Tech Electric. Stephen Sheeler has been amazing, and you can see that here in the brick house, the entire electrical roughing is done, or it will be done by the end of today. And then in the metal building behind us, that should be done by the end of the day tomorrow. We've also got some landscaping work that happened last week. We've got a sidewalk. Our sidewalk should be coming in next week as well. So there's a lot going on. Thank you for your ongoing prayers. Thank you for your ongoing support. Thank you for those who have gone to see Sound of Freedom. If you haven't, please try to get to see that, and you'll have an idea as to, even though that's happening in South America, that same type of wickedness is happening right here in South Carolina. So thanks again, and we'll keep you updated next week.